Namaste. Hello. I am Bhaskar and I retired as a personal officer at APSRTC. Everyone who has retired, whether from the state government, central government or other services, must submit their Jeevan Praman or digital life certificate this month, that is in November. Traditionally, we all have to visit a bank, post office or a digital service center to do this. What if I told you that you can generate your Jeevan Praman right from your home using your mobile phone in just 2 minutes? This means you can skip the long queues and wasted hours standing in the sun. Plus, you won't have to spend any extra money for the service. I am going to show you exactly how to do the Jeevan Praman from home in this video. Make sure to watch until the very end. Skip a thing. Okay, let us see how to generate the Jeevan Praman now. All using smartphones these days, we just need to download 2 specific apps from the Google Play Store, Jeevan Praman or Face RD. Let's dive into how to submit the life certificate using these 2. Once you open the Jeevan Praman app, this is the interface you will see. The Aadhaar Face RD app does not have a visible interface, so it won't appear in your main app list. Now let us open the Jeevan Praman app. First enter your Aadhaar number, then your mobile number and your email ID. Hit the submit button. You will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and submit it again. A new window will open. Write your name in the operator name. Next, you must give Uday permission to use your Aadhaar number and biometrics. Check the box to agree and then press the scan button. Your face scan will begin. Blink your eyes once as soon as your photo appears within the green circle. That's it. Your photo is scanned. From here, you can even generate life certificates for your friends using your phone. Let us see how to generate your own life certificate. First open Jeevan Praman. Enter the Aadhaar number at the top, the mobile number below and the email ID. Hit submit. You will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP here and then submit. A window showing your pensioner identification details will open. It will include your name, PPO number, your type of pension and the bank from which you receive your pension. You can adjust the window by zooming to view all the details clearly. Then press next. This window displays a preview of the data filled. It includes your account number and asks questions like if you are remarried or re-employed. You must confirm that all the details are correct by ticking the box and submit. A second preview of the data filled window will appear. It contains 2 important declaration boxes. One box confirms that all the information you provided is correct. The second box declares that you will no longer be eligible for a pension if you provide any false or misleading information. Check both boxes and submit. For the final eKYC, you must check the box to give Uday permissions to use your Aadhaar number and biometrics for generating the digital life certificate. Now press the scan button. Your face scan will start. Blink your eyes once as soon as your face is inside the green circle. Your photo is now scanned. Your digital life certificate is successfully generated and has also been sent to the EPFO office. Now I will show you how to download this digital life certificate. First write down or note your Praman ID. Open your Google browser and type Jeevan Praman in the search bar. Click on the first result. Enter the Praman ID you noted down. Scroll down and enter the CAPTCHA. Then press generate OTP. Type in the OTP you received and click login. That's it. Your life certificate has been generated. Just press the download button and save it. Go to downloads. There you can see your life certificate along with your name, Aadhaar number mobile number and date of birth along with your photo. See friends, that is how simple it is to generate your life certificate right from your mobile phone. If you liked this video, please subscribe, share and comment. Let us connect again in the next video. Until then, take care.